What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. So on the left we have the iPhone 12, on the right we have the Poco X6 Pro. The iPhone has only 4 GB of RAM whereas the Poco X6 Pro has 12 GB of RAM with 512 GB of storage. Let's see which one actually wins the speed test. Render in 3, 2, 1 and go. I think that was a little faster on the left. Can't really tell you which one, but let's see. In settings, 3, 2, 1 go. That was definitely faster in the iPhone as compared to the Poco X6 Pro. Let's try Flipkart in 3, 2, 1 go. Okay, I think that is a draw in both the smartphones. Can't really tell the winner here. Let's try Amazon 3, 2, 1 go. That was again faster in the left, which is the iPhone. Weather, faster on the right in the Poco as compared to the iPhone. The iPhone is taking a lot of time in weather, as you guys have seen. Okay, let's try clock. Clock is definitely faster on the left, but by a very fine margin. Let's see Blinkit. Okay, that was way faster on the right. Let's try Instagram. Again, that was faster in the Poco. And this is my friend. You should definitely follow him at the rate Kunal. Let's try Cashify 3, 2, 1 go. Okay, even Cashify is loading up faster on the right in the Poco X6 Pro. I think this is definitely due to the faster storage and RAM, and obviously the processor is also a lot more faster as compared to the iPhone. Let's try Google. Google was again faster on the right. Let's try Spotify. Oh my god, Poco even won in Spotify. I don't know why the iPhone is losing very badly here. Let's try games. Subway Surfer, opening them at the same time. Now, game is a department where I think, okay, they were exactly the same. You guys can see, yeah, there was no difference in this game. So yeah, both of them did really well. Let's just close it. Let's try Temple Run 2. Now, I think gaming is an area where iPhone has always dominated, but again, times have changed, and Poco is a relatively newer phone as compared to the iPhone, so you can't really tell which one is gonna win in this department. But I still hope the best from both the smartphones. Let's see here which one wins. And yeah, that was actually faster on the right in the Poco X6 Pro. All right, we are gonna try Angry Birds 2. Let's see which one gives us the no internet connection pop-up faster. Okay, that was faster in the iPhone, as you guys have seen. Let's close this. Let's try hill climb racing. I think, yeah, this is where the iPhone takes the lead here. Let's tap on start in 3, 2, 1 go. Again, that was faster in the iPhone as compared to the Poco. Now let's see which one actually can hold all of these things in the background. So we have 12 GB of RAM on the left and we have only 4 GB of RAM on the right. Do note that. And let's see. We have calendar, both are in RAM. We have settings, both the things are in RAM. Flipkart, okay, it was in RAM in both the smartphones. Amazon in the RAM. Weather in the RAM. Clock in the RAM. Blinkit in the RAM. Instagram is also there. Cashify, we have Google, we have Spotify, we have Subway Surfer. So far, these smartphones are holding up pretty well. Temple Run 2. Okay, we have no problems there. Angry Birds 2. Wow. And we have Hill Climb Racing. As you guys have seen, all the these smartphones kept all the apps in RAM, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, I'm not more surprised because of the Poco has, like, it already has 12 GB of RAM. I'm a lot more surprised by the iPhone's performance. Even though this is so old, like it is the iPhone 12, it is still performing like a champ. I just love it. So that was pretty much it for today's video. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below. That's it. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.